Hi, welcome to the Aero Workshop. Today we're going to show you how to disassemble and reassemble your RT189K ratcheting riveter. This is a great tool for installing rivets, but like all tools, it can jam from time to time. If your tool jams, you probably don't need to disassemble it. This tool was never intended to be taken apart. If a mandrel is stuck inside, just open the handles all the way. This will loosen the jaws and the rivet should come right out. But since you clicked on this video, I imagine you probably already took your tool apart and now you can't get it back together, right? So, I'm going to walk you through the disassembly and reassembly process. But first, make sure you have a clean workspace because there's a lot of small parts to this tool and you don't want them to go missing. If you find that you must take your tool apart, which we generally do not recommend, please watch this entire video before you start. You should use one hand to hold the handles fully open. With your other hand, unscrew the silver housing cap. This will expose the jaws inside the jaw unit, which should slide right out. If you do not fully extend the handles as you're taking the cap off, the unit will not slide out easily. It will still hold tension inside the tool. This is fine, but be prepared to catch the unit. Keep one hand in front of it and fully open the handles with the other. The jaw unit will eject with a decent amount of force, so be sure your hand is covering it the entire time. Now that you have the jaw unit out of the tool, the body spring should slide off the top of it, along with the resistance washer. The longer, thinner jaw spring should slide out the back. Turn the unit upright and unscrew the jaw unit end cap from the grooved body piece. Inside of the end cap, you'll find the tension cylinder and two jaw pieces. Now, to put it back together, we're going to do all the steps in reverse. First, insert the two jaw pieces into the end cap. When inserted, they should extend out of the end cap a bit, like this. Drop the tension cylinder on top of them, with the pointed end facing down so it fits between the jaws. Screw the jaw unit end cap to the grooved body piece. Insert the jaw spring into the back of the body. Then slide the resistance washer around the unit, followed by the body spring. Now insert the entire jaw unit into the tool housing. Make sure the grooves are facing down. Hold it sideways when you insert it so that nothing falls out of the unit. Hold the handles fully open as you do this. Once you push the unit in a bit, let the handles rest. It should grab the unit and prevent it from springing forward. If it doesn't catch, try rotating the unit a bit, just to be sure the grooves are facing down. From here, you can squeeze the handle to pull the jaw unit further inside the tool. Be careful because if you accidentally open the handle all the way, the jaw unit will eject from the body. So keep your hand covering the jaw unit as you squeeze the handles. Once the jaw unit is all the way inside the tool housing, you can screw on the housing cap. Once it's on, open the handles fully, and you'll hear the jaw unit pop back into place. And now you can get back to work. For more information and videos, please visit aerofastener.com. Thanks for stopping by the Aero Workshop.